children, let's start with chapter number 16, the early humans. In this chapter, I will tell you about the early humans, the early men. So let's start with the chapter. It was a beautiful Sunday evening. Grandpa and Grandma came to meet Maria and Robin, and the family was sitting in a balcony. वो balcony में बैठे थे and they were enjoying the evening and looking at old photos. और वो old photos पे देख रहे थे. Right? This is my mother with her grandfather showed grandpa, right? What they say, this is my grandmother and grandfather. And surprised Maria said, wow, that must have been really long time ago. Without stopping, she asked again, where they the first people on the earth? कि कौन थे? तो सबसे पहले आए थे. Where there anyone else before them? तो of course there were laughed grandma. Grandma हंसती और कहती हैं, human beings started living on earth from many years. No one know exactly when. सा किसी को नहीं पता है. And Robin was surprised to listen this instead and grandma to tell more about early humans. He was proud to use the new word he just learned, history. तो वो एक वर्ड जो था जो उसने नया सीखा था हिस्ट्री, उसके बारे में जानना था उसका. हिस्ट्री क्या होता है? स्टडी ऑफ पास्ट इवेंट्स. जो भी पास्ट इवेंट्स हुए हैं, जो भी उनके हम स्टडी करते हैं, उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? हिस्ट्री. Story of early human. The first human being lived on the earth many years ago and their life was almost very different from ours. So they did not go to school, they did not cook food in the kitchen, they did not go to office to earn money, and they wore clothes made of animal skins, right? And the places of their living were also too different. राइट. सो लुक एट द पिक्चर ऑफ द अर्ली ह्यूमन. अर्ली ह्यूमन ऐसे थे, हुआ करते थे, एनिमल्स को मारते थे, उनको खाते थे. दे डू नॉट नो हाउ टू यूज फायर, राइट. वो पहले क्या होते थे, जो स्टोन टूल्स होते थे उनका यूज करके क्या करते थे? एनिमल्स को किल करते थे, राइट. और वो ग्रासेस वाले जो कपड़े होते थे, ग्रास से बने, लीव से बने, बार्क ऑफ ट्री पहनते थे. सो वेयर डिड दे लिव? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, ये कहाँ रहते थे? So the early humans did not know how to build house. They did not have the idea of material to build the house, but they were clever. लेकिन वो बहुत चतुर थे, clever थे. They built houses out of what? Branches of the trees and animal skin. Some of them even lived in caves. और कुछ जो ऐसे थे जो कहाँ रहते थे? Caves में रहते थे. What they ate. Early human did not know how to grow crop. They did not have shops to buy food from. They planted and gathered fruits and nuts from trees. Right? They also hunted animals for meat. और उन्होंने animals को hunt करा किसके लिए? Meat के. Right? So next is your wallpaper. वो क्या पहनते थे? जैसे मैंने आपको बताया वो bark of tree या leaves जो होती थी trees के उनका use करते थे. So, ये animal skin को पहनते. The early human being did not use many types of dresses they made. They made clothes out of leaves to protect themselves from cold weather. They covered themselves with the animal skins. या फिर अपने को क्या करते थे? Animal skin skin होती है ना, उससे cover कर लेते थे. With the passage of time, early humans learned to make fire. This helped them to cook food. वो अपने आप को warm करने लगे. ठीक है, गर्म करने के लिए आग जलाते थे और जो वाइल्ड एनिमल्स हैं वो डर भी जाते थे. ठीक है, तो इस ये 3 वेज से जिस तरीके से अर्ली ह्यूमन ने फायर का यूज करा था. So they also learned to grow crops and tame animals. You will learn more about the early human in higher classes. And the first animal that was domesticated at that time was dog. Right? This is all about in this chapter. Hope you understood each and everything. Now we will meet in the next class. Thank you.